Hello everyone and welcome back to Wormogames. Today we are going to learn how to make an object move to another. So to start off, we're going to make a new sprite. Let's just make it a circle. Then we're just going to name it object to move. And we're going to move this over here. You can name it whatever you want. You can change these. If you wanted to make it really big, you could do that. If you wanted to rotate it, you can rotate it like 50 degrees to make it look smaller. Okay, so it's making new strips called move to object. Alright, and here we're going to make some variables. We are going to say, at the start, we're going to say public theme object to move to. And we're going to say, after we add a semicolon, public speed equals 5. Well, no, public float. Now we're going to say transform dot position equals vector 2 dot move towards. This is to put in transform dot position, and then we're going to say object to move to dot transform dot position, comma, and then speed. Move to object to move, and then we're just going to put the circle on object to move to. Then when you play, you'll see it moves to that object, but the speed's a little too high, so you have to adjust it to, well, you should, or you should just multiply by time dot delta time. So it moves the, you should practice that because it'll move the same on everyone's device if you do that. Now it should be slower. You can see it does move. And if you want, you can just use the rotate script we made in the last video to be able to rotate this. And you can do a lot with this. If you want to, you can give these, you can give like this object collision, make it push stuff around. But I think that'll be it for this video. So, see you in the next one. Bye bye.